Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm still trying to get things working down in my workshop with this newer computer. I did notice that using the webcam microphone wasn't the best quality. So what I've done is I have an old lapel microphone, very cheap lapel microphone. So I'm trying to use that right now. And what I was doing is I was running SDR Uno and I was using the scan range option. And I get the range, let me see what it's set to. Set basically to the HF frequencies from 3.5 megahertz to 17 megahertz. And it's saving to a new memory file that I set up what it finds, which is this is what it's found in the past few minutes so far. This morning, it is 7:20 a.m. here in Clearwater, Florida. I'm using the RSP Duo, and I'm using my 31-foot vertical antenna. So the biggest question is, has the audio improved using this cheap lapel microphone versus the webcam microphone? Let me know. That's the main purpose of this show, and we're getting there. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.